By the end of this video, you will know how to delete a record in Airtable. Begin in your Airtable base and look for the record you want to remove. A record is the full row of information in your table, so take a moment to identify the correct one before you continue. This matters because deleting a record removes that row from the table, and you want to be sure you are selecting the exact entry you no longer need. If your table contains several similar records, compare the visible fields in that row so you can confirm you have the right one in view. Once you have found the record, move your pointer anywhere across that row and right-click. You do not need to click on a specific cell for this action. The goal is to open the context menu for that record. If you right-click in an empty area of the table, you may see a different menu, so make sure your pointer is on the record itself when you do it. After the menu appears, look through the available options and select Delete Record. This tells Airtable that you want to remove the selected row. Be careful at this point to choose Delete Record for the record you highlighted, especially if you are working quickly through a crowded table. The menu will close after you select it, and Airtable will move to the confirmation step. You will then see a prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. This is the point where Airtable gives you one last chance to review the action before the record is removed. Read the prompt, make sure it refers to the record you intended to delete, and then click Delete to confirm. Once you confirm, Airtable removes that record from the table. If the record disappears from view right away, that means the deletion has gone through. If you are working in a filtered view, the table may shift slightly as the remaining records move up to fill the space. That is normal and just means the row has been removed. What matters is that the record you selected is no longer listed in the table after you confirm the deletion. The full process is locate the record, right-click on that record, choose Delete Record, and then click Delete in the confirmation prompt. Following those actions in order keeps the process clear and helps you avoid deleting the wrong row. The selected record has now been deleted from your Airtable table.